This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by claiming and verifying your Google business profile. Do this immediately so you can edit critical fields. Enter an exact business name and pick the primary category that best matches what you sell. Next, add a verified address or service area, business hours, phone, and website. Upload a clear primary photo. Once done, make sure your public info is accurate because verification prevents future name changes and improves search reliability. Once verified, optimize the middle of the setup. Write a customer-focused description using natural keywords without stuffing. This helps local relevance. Add a full services and products list with prices so searchers know what you offer. Make sure attributes and highlights reflect accessibility, payments, and specialties. Then enable messaging and booking, connecting your scheduling system, or adding an appointment URL with UTM tags to track conversions. Finish by maintaining the profile. Post offers and updates, add new photos and short videos, and check insights to see what drives views and calls. You should reply to all reviews promptly and assign owner/manager roles so the right people can edit listings. If something breaks, like verification or a removed listing, first request a new postcard or try phone/email verification. If that fails, escalate via Google Business Support and document proof of address and ownership to resolve problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.